bit shiny.
Very shiny.
So what have you used on it?
So it's come in for a full single stage enhancement and ceramic coatings. So it's had a full machine polish to remove any leftover holograms, sanding marks and defects in the paintwork, followed up by a 2-year G-Technique ceramic coating. The idea of a ceramic coating is to protect the paintwork after we've done the hard work, and it helps keep the car cleaner for longer, easier to wash and maintain, and helps preserve the life of the paintwork.
So what's the best way of preserving it, making it last?
To look after the vehicle afterwards, it's best to safe wash it, no TFR and harsh chemicals, and to sort of prolong the life of the ceramic coating, you'll just want to basically touch it as less as possible, as least amount as possible. So snow foam, shampoo, 2-bucket method, safe washing, all the methods to safe wash it, and it will last as stated.
Is it worth using the pH neutral shampoo?
Yes, pH neutral everything for the most part. A little bit of alkaline is not too bad for it, but pH neutral as far as it goes, and it will last forever.
Awesome.
Awesome
Awesome
it will last
stuff.
for 2 years, 2-year coating.
So is that the recommendation time for getting it redone then, is every 2 years?
If you look after it, it will well truly probably surpass 2 years easily, but it's a recommendation of 2 years to get it redone again and get it back up to spec and properly freshen it up.
So for a track car, still 2 years?
Maybe so, maybe. It depends on how much target is on it, but no, if you still look after it, it'll be fine.
Ideal.
Your keys are
Shiny. Shiny.
very shiny.
Thank you.